Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app, totally for free, anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up, and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app, Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. Okay, let's skip to the end.
So even though this looks like a quick fix, it won't be materializing for Uber anytime soon. And this is a fact that Uber certainly knows all too well. In fact, in 2020, they poured nearly all of their capital out of self-driving car research, even after spending billions on it. The program was already in jeopardy after a lack of results, when one of Uber's prototype cars
I
dropped.
want to watch this one. That was one like a self-driving car. They hit a biker.
Oh.
Yeah. It was like a Uber self-driving car. It hit a biker. But I think basically they're saying is that like Uber's not profitable and they're only relying on self-driving cars.
Yeah.
But there's already like Lyft is already doing self-driving cars. Did you know about that?
Oh, no, I didn't.
Let me see if I can pull that up real quick.
I don't know. I honestly feel like self-driving cars, like completely hands-free self-driving the whole time, won't work unless every single car is a self-driving car, because then they can like navigate between each other.
Because then what? Oh, communicate?
Then they can navigate between each other and like all the, like, you know what I mean?
Yeah. So they can like all kind of ride with each other.
Yeah, because then none of them are being controlled by someone, and they're all just like being automatically like navigating between like all the cars and on the roads and stuff.
Okay, let's watch this one. Ready?
Yeah.
So this is Lyft is offering driverless robo-taxis in Las Vegas now.
The future of transportation is here. Check this out. Autonomous vehicles have arrived in Las Vegas, and you can now request a robo-taxi right here on the Las Vegas Strip. Thank you so much for staying with us here at 4:30. I'm Christian Gattas.
And I'm Kirsten Joyce. The company Motional has partnered with Lyft to launch the Ioniq 5. It's a robo-taxi that debuted today.
That's right. We caught up with the company behind.
And they have a tablet in the car. Speaking of which, if you want to get a tablet in your car now, link to play Octopus, link down below.
The technology offering customers a driverless option.
This car right here, look.
A futuristic dream, now a reality in Las Vegas. Self-driving vehicles moving customers up and down the Las Vegas
Have you seen those cars?
Strip.
The Ioniq 5s,
No.
Izzy? Huh?
Oh, yeah, I have actually.
Yeah, people say they like love them. Have you been in one or like seen one?
No.
Okay. Some people are obsessed with them. They're the fully electric though, right?
Yeah.
A reality in Las Vegas. Self-driving vehicles moving customers up and down the Las Vegas Strip.
Oh, well, we'll have to try it out. Love technology.
So this is live right now. You can order a car and there's no driver in it. Do you know that?
That's so weird.
Yeah, it's just in Vegas right now, but it's just up and down the strip. There's no driver inside.
Technology,
I
love
wouldn't
it.
like that.
Yeah. Okay, let's listen to what these people have to say.
Up and down the Las Vegas Strip.
Oh, well, we'll have to try it out. Love technology, love it, promote it, but we don't need to replace every human.
We spotted the Ioniq 5 vehicles operating along the Strip on Tuesday. Zeb Dawson is the company's director of commercial fleet operations.
Okay, it looks like there's somebody in there driving.
He tells us the project promises to provide more reliable, affordable, and sustainable transportation in the valley.
There's a lot of work going into this to make sure that's safe transportation. And we even have, when it goes driverless, it doesn't mean there won't be any humans at all in the loop. There still will be humans, such as RVA, which is a remote vehicle assistance.
Okay, so there are people in the car now. Sorry, guys. Got wrong.
What's the point? That makes... I don't know. I don't get it.
Because they're going to get rid of them soon. And they're going to be RVAs, remote. So they're going to be like at a different area. controlling the car.
Motional is mapping out the valley while testing its vehicles to help with the complexity, intersections, and traffic, with cameras both inside and outside the vehicle.
We look at this as an opportunity to really show that robotaxis are the best way for people to get around. We have a lot of nighttime driving with bright lights on the strip. There's a lot of wide lanes, there's big intersections.
When you request this driverless vehicle via Lyft, passengers will each have screens inside. Sensors will help navigate the vehicle up and down the Las Vegas Boulevard while also providing immediate human assistance.
That looks weird to me. Okay. What do you think? Yay or nay on the driverless cars, guys?
I think it's a no from me.
It's a no.
What do you
from
think?
I don't know. What if it glitches and like gets lost and like you end up in the middle of nowhere? Like, what are you gonna do then?
Yeah, exactly. Like, I don't like relying on technology like that because at least with like a Tesla, like, yeah, you can have it on autopilot, but you still have to like kind of pay attention and be like in the car.
We're losing control. The robots are taking over. Okay, moving on to the next.
Someone said it's like Johnny Cab from Total Recall.
Who? Let me look this up real quick.
That's what someone said in the car.